Hello coffee fans, thanks for tuning into another lesson by Espresso. And today we're going to discuss the 3 things to look out for before buying a filter coffee machine. Number 1, when you buy a filter coffee machine, especially for a company, you want to look at the build quality of the machine. And by build quality, you want to look at the material it's made out of. Pretty much all domestic machines get made out of plastic. Those are the ones you see at the Macro and Pick and Pay. Proper industrial coffee machines are almost always made out of a stainless steel body. So number 1, just in terms of wear and tear and hard use for a company, you want to look at the body and the build of the coffee machine. Second thing you want to consider is something they call the hot plate heat adjustment ability. And what that really means is that when you put a filter coffee pot on top of a filter coffee machine, it sits on a hot plate, and that hot plate then applies the heat to the filter coffee. Now, the longer the coffee sits there, the less heat you want to apply to it, and also the less coffee in the pot, the less heat you want to apply to it. If you don't do that, you get incredibly bitter and a very burnt taste, and that's what actually gives filter coffee a bad name. So number 2, you want to look for a filter coffee machine that has an ability to adjust the hot plate temperature. So 2 is hot plate heat adjustment ability. The third thing you want to look for for an office filter coffee machine is a double pot machine. You get filter coffee machines which come in 1 pot and 2 pot versions. 2 pot versions are typically only about 100 Rand more, so it really doubles your capacity. So for an extra 100 Rand, it's well worth getting a double pot version instead of having to buy a separate filter coffee machine. So third thing is 2 pot. And that's really the 3 most important things to consider before buying a filter coffee machine. Thank you.